Hello everyone. Today we are going to deal with this question. So how to solve this equation? So here if you will see, they're asking to find all the roots. There would be 6 roots that may be real or may be complex depending upon, the nature of the answer what we are going to get. So here, how we are going to approach this question? First of all, let us count how many terms are given over there. So there are total 6 terms. If there are total 6 terms, can we make the group of them? Is it possible to make a group? The answer is yes, we can make a group. We can make a group of 3 and 3. This can be done, isn't it, right? So now what we are going to do, we are going to make the group of 3 and 3. And after making the group of 3 and 3, let us try to factorize and let's see what we are getting. Okay, so we are going to write the first group, that is x6 minus 6x5 and plus 4x4. And there is negative 8x cube. Then there is plus 48x square and minus 32x is equal to 0. For this, what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a group for this part and for this part. So this is called factorization by grouping. And there is a rule to know, can we solve this by factorization by grouping? There is a rule to know this. Let us see that what are the coefficient. You just take the coefficient, right? So coefficient is 1. Here we have 6 and here we have 4, right? In same manner, what is the coefficient in that group? That is 8, that is 48 and 32. Let us try to simplify. So 8 times 6 would be 48 and times 4. By 8, I could divide all of them. If you see, the coefficients are same. They can be reduced to the same number. That is why it is possible to solve by grouping. So this is how we come to know that something can be solved by grouping or not. Right now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take x4 common. X4 can be taken as common. So I have taken x4 as common. If I take x4 as common, then what I would be left with? I would be left with x square minus 6x and plus 4. Here, what I could take as common, here, whatever would be the first sign that you have to take as common, as always, right? You have to take that as GCF. So negative I'm going to take. I'm also going to take 8 as common and 1x is common in all of them. So that 1x I'm going to take as common. If I have taken that common, what I'm left with, here 8 has been taken out, negative has been taken out. So now positive would be left over there. Out of 3x, we have taken out 1x. So I'm left with x square again. After that, what I can do? After that, here I have taken negative common. So this is positive. One negative has been taken common. So negative and positive will make a negative. And this will make 6x because 8 has been taken as common. And here, like 1x I have taken as common. So x is left over there. And here I would be left with plus 4 is equal to 0 because, like if you want to know that what you are going to get over here, you divide by your GCF. You divide this by your GCF. So 4 we are going to get. Now, if you see this and this part is again same. So therefore, it can be taken as common as a whole. So I could write x square minus 6x plus 4. And then I could write times. Here, these are my GCF. So x4 minus 8x, I could write like that, is equal to 0. Now, what would be the second step? You already know we have factorized. So either this part would be equal to 0 or this part would be equal to 0. So let us solve for that. So either x square minus 6x plus 4 would be equal to 0, or the second possibility would be x4 minus 8x would be equal to 0. Let us factorize this because this is looking, like very easy to solve. So what I could take as common here, again, you could take something as common. So you could take as x and you could write as x3 and minus 8. This is how you could write is equal to 0. Done. Now, if you see this term carefully, this is nothing but this is a cube minus b cube. So you must know the formula of a cube minus b cube in order to solve a cube minus b cube. Formula for a cube minus b cube is, I'm writing over here, a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. This is the formula what we are going to write. So let us factorize. So x would be there. This part would be written as here a is x and b is 2 because 8 is the cube of 2, right? So I could write this as x minus 2, that is a minus b, times a square, that means x square, right? Then I could write plus, I could write ab. So ab would be 2x, right? And after that, I could write plus b square, that means 4 is equal to 0. From here, I could get two answer. Here can be like three possibility. Either x would be equal to 0, so one answer is 0. Second could be x minus negative 2 is equal to 0. That is second possibility. From here, I could get x is equal to 2. And the third possibility is x square plus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now we have to solve these two equations, right? And we will get four answers from here. Two answer I already get. So total would be the six answer. So let us go to the next slide, or let me rub, rest of the things and let us solve the other questions. So here, let me rub this part. I hope you understood this question. Okay, perfect. Now we are going to factorize. So let us factorize this one first of all. Can we break 4 as negative 6? Is it possible to do so? I don't think so, right? So we are going to solve this by quadratic formula also you can solve. Okay, so let us use the quadratic formula. So x is equal to negative b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is what I could write. And that would be equal to, let us solve this one, negative b. So this is b, so that will become 6 plus or minus root over. Let us calculate this b square. So b square would be 36, negative 6 square is 36 minus 4ac. So 4 times 1 and time 4 again, because c is 4. So 36 minus 16 you are going to write. And 36 minus 16 is going to make 6 minus 6 will make 0 and 3 minus, so this is going to make 20, right? So I'm going to write root 20. Okay, and root 20 upon 2a. So 2a, 2 times 1. So that would be just 2. Okay, from here I could get two answers. Like I could also simplify this root 20. Root 20 can be written as 4 times 5 within root. 4 is a perfect square that will come outside and will become 2 and root 5. So this can be written as 6 plus or minus 2 root 5 divided by 2. So there would be two possibility, two answers would be there. So first answer would be x is equal to 6 plus I'm going to take one time and root 5 upon 2. And the second answer would be x is equal to 6 minus 2 root 5 divided by 2, right? Here by 2 I could cancel out. So I need to cancel both of them, okay, because they are in addition, because many American students, they make the mistake. You can only directly cancel out in the case of multiplication. This is addition, okay. So 2 will go here also, so 3 will come and this 2 and 2 will cancel out. So 3 plus root 5 would be another answer. And in similar manner, 3 minus root 5 would be another answer. So one answer I'm getting from here, one from here, one from here, one from here. Four answer we got in total, right? Now the last part we need to solve. Let us solve the last part. I'm solving here. This is what we need to solve. X square plus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. Again, let us use the quadratic formula in order to solve. So negative b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So negative b would be negative 2. There would be plus minus root over what I'm going to write over here. That will make 2 square. Okay. 2 square. So that would be 4. And 4 minus 4ac, like 4 time, 1 time, and c is again 4. So 4 minus 16, that is going to make negative 12. So negative 12 is an imaginary number. So we are going to get imaginary answer over here, the complex answer over here. So there would be 2 like that. Okay. I'm rubbing whatever is written, like below, so that you could like you could rewatch this video, and after that you could solve, because that's a big question. is going to take more than one slide. So better to solve in the one slide itself, the first itself. Okay, so how I could write root 12? First of all, let us simplify root 12. So root 12 can be written as 4 times 3. So this could be written as 2 root 3. Okay, perfect. So this can be written as negative 2 plus minus 2 root 3. And since this is an imaginary number, I will come for this. Okay, the I will come for this, the iota sign upon 2. And that's my answer. From here, I'm going to get two answer. X is equal to 1 time negative 2 plus 2 root 3i divided by 2. This would be one answer. And I need to rub again, just a second. And the second answer for this would be x is equal to 1 time. I'm going to take negative upon 2. I could simplify this. 2 and 2 will cancel out. This 2 and 2 and 2 will cancel out. So negative 1 plus root 3i, and I could write negative 1 and minus root 3i. So these are two more answers. So total there are 6 answers. Out of that, like 4 are the real answers and 2 are the complex answer. So this is how you are going to solve this complicated equation. You need a lot of practice. If you want to join maths tutoring classes or any tutoring for American curriculum on Noble Learners, you will find the best teachers from India who can teach you whatever it is, science, biology, chemistry, physics, or whether it's maths. So if you are interested, you can check the website link which is given in the description box of this video. Thank you so much and have a great day ahead, everyone.